Racing just started. We have Jets Treasure break quickly to start. Madam Elena in second. Dagatan Kirin moving up now is entry number 2, and this one is Real Thunder. And going along for the first turn, we have Madam Elena now takes the lead. Jets Treasure in second. Real Thunder is down in third, while Dagatan Kid is racing in fourth. We have Madam Elena by about 2 lengths, and in second comes Real Thunder. Next online is Jets Treasure, while Dagatan Kid is still in fourth. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Madam Elena by a length and a half. Moving upon the outside now is Real Thunder. Jets Treasure is down in third, while Dagatan Kid is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn we have Madam Elena maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead. Real Thunder in second. Jets Treasure still in third. Dagatan Kid is down in fourth. And the other entering the home stretch, we have Madam Elena maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Real Thunder in second as they swing for home. We have Madam Elena moving upon the outside now is Real Thunder. We have Madam Elena. Real Thunder is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Madam Elena. Real Thunder is on the outside, and finally it's Madam Elena, Real Thunder, Jets Treasure, and Dagatan Kid.
It was a 3-length victory showed by Madam Elena over Real Thunder. 3-length po ang magkakapanalo. Pero meron tayong inquiry for purse.
Yes.
So better hold on to your tickets. Again, meron po tayong inquiry for first na narinig, no?
131.8 ang tinapos ng kabayong Madam Elena over 1,400 meters with quarters of 14.25, improving to 24.5 and finishing at 28.